Sup everybody, it's D's where I got a reaction. I'm about to react Judge Joe Brown. Now ever went to court? I mean I never went to I went to juvenile court before when I'm young man. And I have a couple stories. It's hilarious to me. Cause some people they say some stuff they shouldn't say in court, or they're rude, or they don't give a f. It's hilarious, man. But let's go. I heard this is like some ghetto stuff, so we gonna some ghetto people right there. So I'm about to react this. All right, y'all ready for this? I know y'all have to be ready. Which TV show, judge, whatever that you watch? Like when I grew up, I used to basically watch Judge Judy. Everybody used to though too, but I mean, I know she's still up still. She be hella bruised sometimes. I'd be like, damn, oh hell nah. Oh, we gon'. But I mean, you can't do nothing. Man, you tripping. I don't know why people argue too and go crazy. Just say I was raised just like yes ma'am, you no ma'am. Some son. Used to hate people. Used to come right there into the car and people be arguing right there for a cop. Like, dude, man, stop, dude. F you, cop. I'm like, this dude gonna mess up my day. Someone's gonna beat both of her ass though. Alright, ready?
That'll be a $50,
Let's go.
$100.
I didn't go to Vegas to party.
Well, what'd you go there for? Gamble?
That's none of your business.
Well, yes, it is.
Stove.
That'll be a $50, $100 assessment for
Oh, he
impertinence.
wants to get some coke and some hookers, huh?
You want to get cute with me? You want to tell me the truth?
you mean
He's like, my girl. I'm not trying to tell. Hey, look, it was at his mom or some shit. Our girl, probably his mom. She's probably like, shut that f up.
you being real cute?
That's another
real
$100 assessment.
Come on,
I
man.
suggest you
Ain't got
stop
nothing to
before
do
I
with this,
bust you
man.
badly,
You ain't
son.
gonna bust
Don't
nothing.
disappoint.
See, gotta just shut the f up, man. That's it. Just swallow that pride and just don't say anything.
Your mother.
Talking to?
See that?
Oh, you want to be like that? Bring the witness in.
Yeah, bring a witness.
Now, swear the witness in, please, Madam Sonia, if you would.
Yes, Your Honor. Okay, stay quiet. Please raise
I
your right
wouldn't get
hand.
cute.
Do you promise to tell the truth in all matters before this court?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Young man, please state your full name for the record.
William Winston.
Are you acquainted with the two individuals to your left?
Yes, sir.
Are you acquainted with the young man on the far left?
Yes, sir.
Where do you know him from?
Linwood.
All right, now, are you familiar with the subject matter of this proceeding?
Yes, sir.
Now, do you have anything to add to this?
I was in the car with him,
Who's him?
Brandon. When we left the motorcycle club,
Where were you guys?
Dude, what's the matter with this dude? Why is he laughing and everything, man? Like, I bet you that person, the other person, they're like, dude, this dude's an idiot. That's why, like, man, I'm about to sue him. Whatever it is.
I believe it's like Redondo,
Okay, what's the name of the club?
the Red Brick.
The motorcycle club.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
When we left the motorcycle club, I got in the car with Antonio.
All right.
I left. We got in the car. We left. I asked him if he could take me home. I stopped, and then I asked Brandon if he can take me home. So Brandon was gonna take me to my house. So I got out the car with Antonio. When I jumped in the car with Brandon, he driving real fast, speeding on the wrong side of the street. When we get on Imperial, I'm telling him like slow down because ain't no airbags in the back seat.
Man, I hate people that do that too when they're driving like that, man, like crazy and stuff. It's like, dude, trying to make a point. I want to go home safe, not trying to freaking have a car crash and freaking all effed up the rest of your life. Hate that stuff. Going like 40, it's like a 35, 40 driving like 70, 80. It's like, dude, what's your point, man? You're just like wasting gas, you know what I'm saying? And money and everything.
The passenger that was in the car with us, I don't believe he had on no seatbelt, so I was in the back seat, and he didn't want to stop. He didn't want to stop speeding. So when we get to Imperial and Broadway, Antonio, he made a right on onto Broadway, and then got in the turning lane to make that left and go back up Imperial. But Brandon, it was a red light. It was a red light on Broadway and Imperial. So Brandon, he swung lanes and got in the turning lane and ran the red light, and that's when he struck Antonio's car.
Totaled it.
All right, now after
Damn,
the
totaled it.
accident, did you notice what this young man and the other person were doing, or you were doing?
Yeah, the car stopped in the middle of Imperial and Broadway. We got out the car, looked at.
Damn, hold on, look at this. Look at this
car
right here.
stopped in the middle of Imperial and Broadway.
Damn, man. Has to be his mom. She looks disappointing, but she can't say nothing because he's probably just an idiot. He don't listen anyways. She's just like, man, make me look hella dumb, but you're my son, so I'm going to be here, but you're an idiot. That's all bad.
We got out the car, looked at the car. The car was totaled. The rental was totaled. Brandon told the passenger to look in the car for the liquor that was in the car or whatever. He called his mom. He told his cousin that he was gonna call his mom and tell his mom that the rental got stolen. But then we was thinking like, why you gonna tell your mama that your rental got stolen and your fingerprints was the last ones on the car? So one of his friends pulled up. He jumped in the car with his friend, told his mama the little situation, and I guess that's how they made the police report about the stolen car. But the whole time the car wasn't stolen.
Nah.
Judge Joe Brown.
Man, I'd be pissed off too. I'd probably beat his ass after.
History with rental vehicles that you've wrecked.
Excuse me, sir. May I speak?
Oh, you might clear it up.
Sir, what doesn't make sense to me is this. If there was an accident that occurred, why weren't the police notified?
They were.
When?
I have the report right here. That's the
Other than
report you made.
No, not at all. My report was made the night we were questioning, the night in question. You don't want to hear what I'm talking about.
Yeah, well, how is it that you were at the same club they were at, the vehicle your mother rented got ripped off from that club, and it just happened to strike them?
I have no clue.
Because you're lying.
I'm not lying about anything.
Son,
I have all
you're
my
lying.
evidence. I have all my
You're
evidence.
lying.
You don't want to listen
You
to
are
it,
lying.
then don't listen to
Don't
it. But
try
you're
to
not
break
gonna-
this
you're not-
out.
Damn, what's the matter with this dude, man?
You're not
By
going to
trying
sit
to
here
put this
and
on,
not
be
allow me
quiet.
to say my
Watch
case. You're
watch
not
your
going to do that.
language.
How
Now,
about
you
that?
keep it
Let
up.
me get my point
You
across.
See, man, like I said, I went to court multiple times. People do that too. They get argued, they screaming and all that. You make it worse, man. And look at, he's just emotional. Why you so emotional, man? Why you so mad and emotional and stuff?
You
You're not
don't
about to
have
do me
a
like
point
that.
because the
Yeah, you're
deeper
not
you
gonna do
get
it like
into
that,
it,
homie.
the more you get
Just
deep
is.
into
It's
a
not
perjury
logic.
charge.
It's not fair.
You won't be walking too far
Just be fair.
without a warrant for your arrest. There's also an ongoing investigation for a felony hit and run, and we've got enough to bust you right here.
That's not right, though. Just be fair. That's all I'm
It's
asking.
not your line.
That's all
Be
I'm
a
asking.
man.
I am a man.
Oh, you're not. You got your hands in your pockets.
Yeah, with my
body
thumbs out,
language.
which
You know
mean
what
I'm
that
open to
means? You know what that
conversation. I
means?
know what my
Excuse
body
me.
language is saying.
I will enlighten you and banish some of your ignorance. Now, your
Of course
mother
I'm
deals
doing
with probationers, parolees, and she's listening to you.
Damn, and
She's
you got
not even
probation and
looking at
everything.
you 'cause she's
She has
listening
no
to your
need
Yeah, look at her. Look at her. She's so disappointed, dude. That's all bad.
Sit down. You
And
can
by
talk
the
to
way,
me.
been having problems before. Your mother is disappointed with you. You're 24. How old are you?
Disappointed with me.
24 years old. You ought to be
What is that?
doing something. Sitting up in here trifling and carrying on like you lost your mind
Trifling.
instead of being a
Just
man.
Watch your mouth, man. How's it? He
My
can
mouth?
call me out of my name, but I can't speak to him how I want. What type
Because
of
I'll
mess is
jack
that?
you up,
What
one
happened?
way or the other.
What happened?
Look,
However
fool.
you
Look,
want it.
don't even go there. Look, look.
You personally
Your
can't do
mother's
it.
position is a sworn
Can't do
official. I'm thinking of sending this case to the
nothing.
DA
I didn't do
with
that.
a
You
letter.
know what you wanna do? I'm leaving.
No, you ain't. Oh, whoa, another 100. I tell you
Ah,
what, I'm sending it.
Send
emotional. Look at this, man. You can't.
it. You got
Dude.
all my information, and you right here. Y'all know
Excuse
what it
me.
is.
Under arrest, terroristic threats in an official position.
Well, I didn't
Put him
terrorist
under
threats.
arrest.
No.
Guys, go get him.
That sounded like a threat to me.
Go get him.
Because I said,
Hell yeah, you can't say that to the freaking judge, man. man.
That's what I said. I'm not.
You can't say that to a judge. What the hell's the matter with this dude? Why are you gonna say F to the judge? F? Come on, man.
better than nobody.
He's trying to brazen it out. Ma'am, I apologize to you. I was trying to help him out by giving him a last chance to confine himself to the truth.
Look at.
He misstated material facts that go to the ultimate issue in controversy.
Damn.
Now he needs to clean himself up.
I feel bad a little bit. Well, that was interesting. I have a couple stories and stuff from like just basically like juvenile hall and stuff right there from juvenile hall court. I never went to jail, you know, because I never did anything like that after. But when I was younger, some stuff from graffiti and other things like that, man. But damn, man, that dude's kind of an idiot, man. Like, why do you keep arguing? Make it worse and worse and worse. Shoot. Like, when I kick with some people, they're in the car and a cop or whatever like that, these people just keep arguing like, F you, cop. I'm like, they're gonna beat both of our ass down, man. I want to, man. I want to go home and take off my shoes and socks and take a shower, come back and chill, not be all sore, beat my ass and shit. Nah, hell no, dude. Come on, man. Why you make it so difficult? You know, shit, you are driving, you're speeding anyways, or some shit like that. But yeah, that was shit. Tell me if you like it, man. Like, subscribe, show love. Alright, it's D's World. Peace.